Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Business Analyst. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is: the business analyst at Universal Containers is helping the team transition from workflow rules to flows. The work has been built and it is time to kick off user acceptance testing UAT. What is the goal of UAT? Option A: to ensure that was originally requested is being delivered. Option B: summarize the overall ask and determine what is in scope. Option C: to identify acceptance criteria with pass-fail indicators. Correct answer is option A. Next question is: the Salesforce project team at CloudKicks is about to start a project that crosses sales and service team. The business analyst BA has been tasked with writing user stories with the teams in a workshop. What should the BA keep in mind during the process? Option A: user stories encourage iterative development. Option B: user stories specify which technical components are impacted. Option C: user stories are fixed upon stakeholder approval. Correct answer is option B. Next question is: during a sprint grooming session for the Sales Cloud implementation at CloudKicks, the development team mentions the step code review by technical architect listed within the acceptance criteria needs to be adjusted. Which location should the business analyst move this item to? Option A: project plan. Option B: definition of done. Option C: pull request template. Correct answer is option A. Next question is: the business analyst BA at Northern Trail Outfitters is writing user stories for a Service Cloud implementation. In which order should the BA arrange the three components of a user story? Now see the options: option A, B, and option C. Correct answer is option B. Next question is: the business analyst BA is preparing for user acceptance testing UAT for Northern Trail Outfitters new Service Cloud implementation. The BA secured the sandbox for the testing environment, wrote test cases, and created a process to track and manage reported bugs. Which additional steps is required during the UAT planning process? Option A: identify power users. Option B: schedule deployment. Option C: gather business requirements. Correct answer is option B. Next question is: Northern Trail Outfitters is getting ready to enter the user acceptance testing UAT phases of its latest Salesforce project. The business analyst BA plans to solicit and document sign-offs from the business as a part of the UAT process. Which sign-offs should the BA seek? Option A: test cases to implement individual test case functionality and the final go live date. Option B: test cases to implement user stories and final go live date. Option C: functional requirements, individual test case functionality, and final go live date. Correct answer is option A. Next question is: the sales team is learning a new sales methodology. Management wants to align Salesforce opportunities with the methodology. What is the first step a business analyst should take to begin overhauling the opportunity object? Option A: understand the current business process. Option B: configure stages in Salesforce. Option C: create new reports and dashboards. Correct answer is option A. Next question is during the discovery phase of a Salesforce project, which types of analysis should a business analyst typically perform? Option A, financial, technical, operational. Option B, technical, stakeholder, enterprise. Option C, enterprise, strategy, stakeholder. Correct answer is option C. Next question is CloudKick's CK plans to establish a Center of Excellence CEO. How will CK benefit using from a COE to define the long-term vision for its Salesforce org? Option A. CK will be better able to prioritize across teams and streamline processes. Option B. CK will get insights to current business processes. Option C. CK will develop a process to gather feedback from end users regularly. Correct answer is option A.